exclusively audio bia Moisha or ne personal assistant and as an PA to train komo a wholesome and as I say yeah bedroom to the movie. Now apart from sa audio no summer our yeah Moisha Adam for pass so ababonten abepacho say and some na audio na nam no so ababonten and yes all the bar say obigu Moisha animasi na audio no mu nsɛm no so no mrepam no ye bebo moden na afi ye de ni nyina aba abonten na mahu de ekoso anti me de daddy Fred me chechi amma mu nyina akwa aba eba the announcer newspaper so sem ekoso ewo Ghana na ye de ebram ni nyina ne se ya establish nkaya ye de betudwa se Moisha ya je no ato ayaresabia na ye hwehwe mu ayensa ka ekire se Moisha okokoma kyerɛ sɛ ɔno ankasa no na onhu bibia ekoso wona kwan mu kyerɛ sɛ obi a wakokoma de sɛ monim sɛ de ya na esitie enti Moisha okokoma kyerɛ sɛ de na ekoso wona kwan mu bia no na onhu ana sɛ de na woyɛ bia na onhu na adofonom entonchen nsensem bia ba abonten audio bia ba abonten no sei we are semine Ghana mayate asɛm no na audio no musem no modru jie na enkomo a the personal assistant bia as the personal assistant wone oba bia and the personal assistant a friend Nelson or no any oba bia odi Samra wono adamfo pa na nadamfo ni Moisha wo montem atete na de ma montem tete ye nyina ni se oba Samra yesi wo kokura fro Turkey ekoye no to ye no for kama ema ne to no kukuru fefefe as a one nama na otim say yes oba ni sebe na eno na according to Nelson no kire say one day oni Moisha nante abobra na koba bia na de wo hu Moisha ho ne say obi ompese obi a chen no ompese obi a chen no nti say ukodane dane otuma atokoya akese na wo ba na wo be che na enje ne fe nti ono so no kwan bi obefa so a obegu anim ase na kwan bi obefa so a onsem bia beba bia na amanfo begu anim ase bia no Moisha nya adaje eye according to Abrantie na asema worker wo so ni Moisha nante na sese ya worker say Moisha yo bia wono na damfo yi koye ne to ba ye ne de ka ho no otuatua nse bloggers ka se omonsei na damfo no engu nanim ase enkyere se wakoye ye nema bi wono to enen enkyere se deep secrecy bi a aba bonten no in fact asem ni moduru pa ye no na mochi se afi ahwoa eso kan mu nsema afi ahwoa se wa me hu se Moisha se oyare na yare no oyare nkyere se na adwene mu eka no kakra sana afi ahwoa aka me ate se de na damfo no eyampa oyare na omfa nsie ba na damfo no adwene mu eka ne kakra asema afi ahwoa e de aka na afi ahwoa na ni abere nyina ne se onti ase se sama e recordo sa video audio no kasa no e de ba abonte leaky ye na the watching say obi ye wadamfo pa de ye den na record na sema na so ni obi kra wo manso na woni no na mo ye damfo no batwem a wo record ye den oba no so aba abonte abekire die nti a o record ye na je say sem no emoduru pa ye na adofo no ensem ne guso kona no nti ye nsa aka e kire say Moisha say no ne dem ne manyina wa je say wa yiji ni nyina wa je say wode ni nyina checheche even ne mpakora woda so no wode ache na oda fom na nhwemu e kire say wukọ kuro efro Nigeria o mema mienu ho ba ko ye sofo na ba ko so eye senator na ba bi o di ba kro no ye senator na yenim na according to audio na eliki no ye ka ho asem no kire say the ye senator no Moisha ka se wo ko no ho anaso mo ye hye se wo so ko no Nigeria ono no boa no tua ne dan ka da ye bibia ma no na dan no kra ka no kra nti yes aka nche se nyi nipa ba ko ne tua we tua na the woman say we yes wo ko senator no ho no adofo no em say emre bi delay kakra nti oye say eni obefre papa yi no wabona mane say ono na e ba wo na nso enema bi asesa kakra na adofo no yɛhwehwɛ mu kyerɛ sɛ ɛbra Moisha Efre senator no de ordinary hu ye no nye asem ketwa ohun se moja adware papa na je se occultism ade na wo ya wo hye baabi a moja wo na no ne tiri ho ne de ka ho nyina o kanche if is of frɛ papa no WhatsApp video na eno na yente ya esa aka ne kyerɛ se na mede so ntini Moisha tiamu ade ohun ye no ohun bi wiase da na afa ne tirim kakra na de wo mini se ebra abibi saa course no papa ne saa frɛ biem e ka kyerɛ ne se onhwe ne yie na de ohun ye no wa mo obi amane na so onim na obo obi amane a ene obewu afiri wiase Moisha so firi ho na no okotena aka mu obobobo ne namfofo bi amane na kyerɛ se wabu asema papa no e kan ye no so ya hwehwɛ mu a yɛsa ka eso kyerɛ se Moisha kwa asɔre e de kɔto asɔfofo no so anim e kyerɛ mo se ade sei ena akoso na asofofo no so kire se no kware se bibisa asofo no so na oda sa asore na no odo so free Nigeria no ka kire Moisha se hwe se bibisa ade a ene ojapade bia fakoche ana koton ana se de wo fie bia no koyi free wona se wonim na wan koyi sa ne mana mfiri ho pe se papa ne ka se enka wa bi wa no aka no o de okra ebitwa so asemi ekoye hunhu ema Moisha pe odue wa abonten na ma no sunti no de oyeye ne se ne dem ne ma nyina wo hyase e de kyekye every ne mpa nyina wo de kyeye yesate se ne sika bibiri ba na wo dollar account no okoyi sika dollar first dollar okoyi $2,000 e de coin papa na sorry de ko ba afore we 3,000 the coin papa na sorry de ko ba afore o sa ko yi 2,000 just ni sika bi a dollar account no o sen ni nyina ko jo so owie ye ni sika kakra no wo ofie no so no you say amanfo bi ko ofie okochia no wo ba fie ho a na wo yi bondo na wo de ama wo ba na wo yi bondo na wo de ama owie ye na wo tia mu bi ewo efie ho chese na asem ni mu odu pa ye entiamu no na amanfo ko hwe ya weso sika wo de ma amanfo nyina wo san agichi sika ni nyina na pa cha atum ahyi sika no chese sika be ye 50,000 Ghana cedis de Moisha ohyi sika ni nyina enti na chese sema koso sese so far Moisha camp no no na de sa kan kire se sese ase koko mabaye na se ye de nkoto ya resabia no sese Moisha na dwene no problem abam kakra a kyerese enye asem ketwa na no anadamfo afi ahwa e de abetu dwa se ampa na dwene no problem wom na nso enye se bia na dwene no problem wom ti no na obi afre ne sama ebegu nanim ase ya momenko na yekutie afi ahwa asema okaye na ifiri oba na afi ya aka no ya bomodin na ya mamo ate de ekoso Dijumadi nsa mo hwe me live ewo YouTube the announcer newspaper ewo YouTube at the same time mo hwe me live ewo Facebook the announcer newspaper ewo Facebook me din editor different ensem ekoso ewo ensem ekoso ewo Ghana more especially Moisha camp na yedini nyina ebremo nti bebi obia no samo beba ebipie abonten na samo kaya me di kan ka kire mo se slay queens no mansun bi bebam na achese confusion bi besima enya asem ketwa na asem no de obia nim ni de obia ye bia na be hyase aba abonten because de course no was a secret bi eba abonten enti samba mo hwa da bia me ye program aya me ka se ya twen as secrecy dia was somebody ban mo mfamba na hwan na etumufo hwan na ekasa kire mo because it nim say was nsem bi ba na amanfo editu omohofo because we ase no ensem na cost no nsem bi ama amanfo amfo ntu omohofo a sebe magu no masi so ene omo maka no behu na binom so akọ no mo de omkra akọ yesa ne ma no ene nti da bia ne ana ye hwese ade bi koso a ye bomodin bo hu dawuro na Ghana mpanifo ana se Ghana manma a enyina ate asem ne bi na obi ahu de ekoso ene nti da bia ye de eba ye beka ho asem wa join bia bomodin ne mi a share sisi a na onua enya bi enhwe kama onko a enhwe If he says, Uncle, I'll share, I'm saying, Yanako, so no. Ain't he so? Show me a share, says here. Na unia so enya bi enhwe nti say yen ye concern say asem e baayi yen ye pese ehu nokware a ewo asem nu na ye pese ehu say wi ase no ensem bi ona koso a nya se obi say ye ana obi anim guase ena ehia ye pese wi ase man ehu de ekoso na obi a so etimi ekire na dwene fefefe nti per report ayen saka so far no eno na ye de ebra mu say na efia shoa asema okan ye no we nya daddy Fred ene kan ye efia shoa eye obi a Moisha eye ne yonko na damfo ene ese wama ye hu se Moisha say na dwene mu e ka ne kakra wonya mental problems bi asema oka eno no na ono mobi enkoda yegotie asema efia shoa eka.
You know I love you to the moon and back. You know the love I have and the support I have for you. But some I'm so disappointed in you and your explanation. Someone met you on a Moisha Frel and asked you to forgive her, and you told her to fuck off. That was so gangster. And now some us, but you knew the boy was lying, yet you recorded the boy. What was the reason of you and Elikem recording the boy? If not to leak it, no recording said, don't be happy. Yes. When Moisha called you for forgiveness, Moisha was sick. Moisha was yare. Moisha was yare, dreamu yare maka. Moisha was yare. And she called you out of her sickness. And so what's the reason of recording the boy? Nelson is lying. Nelson told me a different version of the story and told the lady a different version of this same story.
Okay, enti evia shoa ese wadia tum se Moisha oyare nanso ensema Nelson kano o se on de eye nkuntumpo ba se wadia tum se ampa Moisha oyare a chese na dwene no o se emu ekana kakra asema efia shoa ka eno na pen reporter yensa aka ekire se Nelson no koma one oba sama ni di ye no wakire mu se Moisha sori a ensa ene wi ne drugs akodro bebre o kani nyina bom na wanom a ontimi na 3 days na wote akonwam ontimi na if you say ohun niema ewo nani so na de ohun no kire se onim se obewu enti no da bia no na oprobi amana ben ne nchen if you say de ohun nani so no enye asem ketwa na adofo dum sa nsensem ikoi ya question is den na sama no e record o sa akasa no na abrante no so ni sama edi nkomo na Nelson no we your personal assistant to Moisha se Moisha nya problem bia say oba friend pa na one ne twen manso na uka ade ana Moisha ye nyina e ho nsem no me enko na enkotie.
She called the man and the man answered.
Yes, she was calling to apologize. You know, more times whenever she offended the man gets angry, she calls the man. Yeah.
But if you didn't feel comfortable calling me, telling me this, why would you call me in the first place?
You know, I wanted to say so, but I was like, I don't know how someone is going to react.
So what did she see? Because me can't put
I wanted you saying so.
I wouldn't tell you what, but I was like, no, someone will react some way when I tell her this thing.
Some way.
So when the man called, she saw it's like every time sometimes when somebody is calling on WhatsApp call, you might think it's a normal call. Video call, you might think it's a normal call.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the man answered the call. The man answered the call thinking it was a normal call. But can I please use your charger? I beg you. Your charger, I beg.
I said, oh, charger. I was so charger. I was charge phone here. To charge phone when you can send me.
So this girl saw the blood and the whole thing on the phone, and she screamed Jesus.
So the man called her on video. She picked up.
No, she was the one who called.
So she called the man, and the man answered.
Yes, she was calling to apologize. You know, more times whenever she offended the man gets angry, she calls the man via video call to cry, to that kind of thing. So
is the man like her boyfriend?
Yes.
Her boyfriend.
Yes. And this man too, know, you told this man that he's the only one you are seeing. And then there's another man in Ghana, you also told that man that he's the only one she is seeing. So this man gives you everything, but you still go. Even the house, crowd. This man gave you money. You took money from different people, and you just spent it. So this man, when everything happened, after we came to the church, I was like, no. When she got up for that $2,000 thing,
I don't understand though. She saw before the man came to Ghana. She called the man and then saw blood and she shouted.
No, the man, no.
Obano so pim sama ne pim fax ni nyina. Na Moisha personal assistant na PA no. Ono so add information big grass ne omo fancy ni nia because one na nanti abe personal assistant. Or review secret ni nyina extra Sam.
I wasn't coming to Ghana. She was going to.
I understand. So when she missed her flight and then she was calling the next day to apologize to the man, and that was when she saw the blood.
Sequence.
Yes.
So she saw the man with blood all over him.
Yes.
She saw like occultic stuff or what?
Yes. Those occultic.
So when she got, did you see her? She was the one that told you.
Yes. She screamed and then she was telling everybody when it happened because she was scared. So she was telling.
So did the man call back after
the man called back. One of her friends told that they were in the car and the man called and the man was like, don't tell anybody what she said. But this woman can't keep her mouth shut.
So she also went to open her mouth.
She went everywhere. Even the day we came to the church.
But the man was in the church. Wasn't the man in the church?
No, it's not that one. No.
Oh,
it's not that one crying. No.
Wow. So the man in Nigeria is the man the pastor too?
She has two people. One is the pastor, one is a senator.
Wow, two people.
I see. So it's the senator that she called and saw those things.
Yes. And the day we came to the church, before you came, she had encountered shouting, and they came to carry and they took it to one of them. Before I left, I was there when Sedigali was like, oh, Nelson, go and check it, she's okay. By the time I got there, she has already told them everything. Nelson, you shouldn't be saying this. You shouldn't be telling people. If you've come to church, let the pastor rather say something and tell you. If you tell them, it's like you are rather giving them information and don't stand on it. That was when the pastor, they started asking for $2,000 and she stood up, she went to stand there. After the $2,000, she was still giving them money. $3,000, $2,000. The money in your account is blood money. Give it to Christ. And then she'll be giving the money to them. She'll be giving the money to them. And then they drain off all her money from the dollar accounts.
So in total, how much do you think she's giving to these people?
She gave, because the first time, you remember that she stood up for the $2,000?
Yes.
Yes, after that, she sent $3,000. After she sent $2,000. I went with her to the battle rights. She was like, no, it's because like she really wanted to be saved. Because she felt like she was going to die. Because
after she saw those things.
Yes, and they told her not to say it, so she's now rushing to Christ and all that. So she was giving out the money. She gave off all her things, including her bed that she sleeps on.
Hey, bed.
To Victoria Michael's brother.
She gave it to people. She gave it to.
So she's giving everything she's got out.
Yes, because they told the Victoria Michael's brother told
her that everything she's got is bad money.
Yes, so she was giving everything out, including her bed, her wigs, her dresses, her shoes, even the couch in the hall, her paintings, her pictures in the frame, all those things. Now she threw everything out. So the last time, what happened? Penna came to visit her, and then Penna, I was the one. I went to Malcolm to buy them students' mattress. So Penna was like, Auntie Moisha, why are we sleeping on the floor? Because whenever I come, and then she was like, she has given it to the poor. Penna left and went to tell the church that me, I won't go to Auntie Moisha again. No, she has given her bed to the poor. So I was saying when the church was going to call me, she was like, Nelson, she really needs help. We really have to do something about this.
And if
she also doesn't want to accept because the church. To the poison her mind, say, Obia, getting closer to even talk to her. She doesn't want to take it. She would rather call them. She called the pastor and tell them. I remember that Yona, Pascal, they came to advise her and stuff. She called the pastor and told the pastor.
Victoria Michael's brother?
Yes. she will call, and then she has become so, at a point with Michael will cook and then she will come do it, and then she stopped after they had that money. It's like now you should call them. I was there when the securities called me that I should come and pick Moisha, and Moisha is walking barefooted at the roadside walking.
Walking barefooted.
Walking, so I should come and pick her up. We went to pick her, we called this person. It's like, she said, you know, we are disturbing them. It's like they are disturbing them. Get down, they came to pray for her and other things. But they went, sometimes something will be happening, you call them to come. It will take time because it's like now they are not getting
anything from
whatever. Could you imagine that? KG means I wasn't. This is not your charger, please. Your charger is there. VGMS, I went to the VGMS. Your night was Mona's birthday, so after we went to Twist. When I came back, I saw ashes in the kitchen. I was like, what is wrong? So I asked the stepmother, and the stepmother was like, nothing, no, the pastors came over. And I was like, Auntie, are you sure everything is okay? She was like, Nelson, I don't even know how to say this. And I was like, you don't worry, we'll talk in the morning. In the morning, the cousin himself said, Nelson, do you know that Moisha bent over 50,000 Ghana cedis? Bent it into ashes. Bent it.
Why are they telling the girl her money is bad money now?
She bent it. And then what happened was that she was doing something small in the house. The Sunday she went to give the testimony. So the families will come to, so Mildred came to do the call. So when she went upstairs and brought the money, she gave everybody battle. She gave everybody battle. So, and they said all of a sudden they were there. She kept screaming, shouting from the top, from the stairs. She came to take all the money.
Back from the people.
From them, and then she just set them up, like, she put them on the stove and then she bent it. And I saw it because when I saw the ashes say it is written 200 CDs, 100 CDs, 50 CDs note, I saw all those things. So the following morning, Farida and the aunties came around and then they saw that the house is empty. So they were like, no, why do you have to do that? Why do you have to? So they started shouting at her, like, Moisha, why do you have to do that? So they were even asking me that. You should have said, I was like, I can't stop Moisha. Moisha is not somebody you can stop her from giving the headless out. I was there. Even I was there when she gave 3 bags of things to one of my friends, her weeks, 7 weeks. Even Susan Channel's body creams and everything. She gave them out. So once the class told me, that Nelson, it will get to a point, Moisha will realize that why a mistake and she'll be asking for her things. 3 days ago, I was there, she started asking for her things. It's like sometimes the mind will come and it will go, it will come and it will go, it will go, come and it will go.
So now you feel like her mind is off, Lisa?
It's off. It's off. Because me, when 4 days ago, she wasn't feeling well and I called my mom and then my mom was like, she wants to pray with her. She called one of my uncles to pray with her and she took their numbers and I told her, I said, Mom, I'm telling you this, my mom and my uncle that have taken their numbers. I don't want you to call them and say that because I know you, I know what you can do. I know. And then she was like, please, so I'm a changed person. Forgive me all what I've done. I was like, Moisha, me, I can never forgive you because whenever I see you, everything you've done to me reflects back. I've never done anything to you. I've never harmed you. I loved you genuinely. I helped you. Somehow, if I tell you what Moisha even did to you, will open your mouth.
Hey,
what did
you open your mouth because you
even
though you were not talking to her, you weren't out there destroying her or anything, but she was there destroying you. She was there behind closed doors doing things. Doing things to people. Doing things to people.
Wait, me, I'm interested. What did she do to me? I'm curious.
Wow.
It's gone. It's not just that was why she called to even apologize. Even it's not like apologize, but she called to then you calm down because and I told her we don't apologize like that too. Just tell the person say. So 3 days ago at the hospital, she told me, said, Nelson, I know that because of what I have done, because a lot of people have kissed me. I know me myself, I even know some celebrities who have maybe told her that no, I tell them whenever she's there, she sends people messages because she doesn't remember the number of people she has offended.
Wow.
She talks a lot and then she does this a lot. So hide the number of people. So you'll be there, then you send a message. Some friends will send it.
I don't know. We
We
shall
want to explain you.
Nipa oba no so ne sama no se ne no ne obi na ho na o ka se we explain you titi asem ne ye e na we no fun no te ko na o sa ne be kasa bi no mo record asem bi a wo ka.
She doesn't want to say it because she knows what she has done. She can't just go all out and then tell you so. This is it. This is
So
it.
me, no, I'm interested in my bit. So what did she do to me? I need to know so I can forgive her properly.
How would you know what to say?
Please, you just tell me. Don't worry, me. Don't worry, it will end here. Me, I don't even want my name to be mentioned when your name is being mentioned anywhere. So it's not something I'm saying anywhere.
Do you know that when you went to the Turkey thing,
Yeah.
I was there one night at 1 a.m. We said, come. And I was like, what is it? She called President Shindo. Hey, someone going to do a good. And I was like, oh, but there we get here. I was like, hey, Nelson, this summer, she was paying brothers. She gave brothers money, and they even me, she even gave all the information to me and mentioned a particular blogger, and child.
Wow.
That blogger was the first person who brought this thing out. And I know this thing came out. And she was the one behind that. Everything she was the one.
I knew because somebody who was there when everything happened told me. So I knew.
Yeah. So I even told Farida that this is what Moshe is doing, and it's bad. Because she calls the President girl, she called this person, and then her type person they were gossiping is this girl, Amanda Free-Aqua.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so and then Amanda would poison her mind. And then you know Moshe, she talks. She can't, that night, she didn't sleep. Once I'm sure that you are asleep, no, not your own.
Yes,
that is how she is. And she's very jealous. She has always wanted to be like the only person in Ghana. She has that body. When she sees somebody, I think the person you gave her that night, Moshe will call this, Moshe will call this, and I told her, you were like, nothing. And then that block, I don't even want to mention her. You were like, call her. Tell her, but don't mention my name. Don't tell her that it's me.
I know that Sandy girl.
She's the one.
Oh, I knew about it.
She's the one. And she was like, I was like, no, Sama. To me, I feel like Sama has never wronged you. She was like, you don't know. Sama, why you born? And I was like, no, you can't compare what I was saying, Sama, you're born to what you done, Sama. Because I know people, I know celebrities that Moshe will smile at with them. Now we're saying she will be telling people, this girl carries drugs, okay, this girl does this, we could do so. What?
Oh, you're not going to share what process and then could be a carry drugs.
She's the one.
I heard about that.
She's the one. She's the one. Anything I think that Sandra, I begged Sandra several times, say, Sandra, let's do. I said, like, Sandra is not that funny movie. I said, she's even fed up because Sandra loved Moshe genuinely. At the point, Moshe was telling people, say, Sandra says, money on the cocoa. There is this girl called Success Coco. Sandra says that a man on a date knowing your freedom. But you always see Sandra coming to the house, and I was like, no.
Sandra says Moisha shouldn't be nice with Coco.
Coco, yes. And I was like, no. Sandra always comes to Coco. Coco lives opposite. You are neighbors. And this is the person I always say, don't be friends with Coco. But this is the same girl who comes to Coco. There is no way Sandra would do that. The Sandra and Kobe I know will never do that. Now, all this thing Sandra didn't know, and Sandra too was loving her genuinely. On her birthday, she invited Sandra. And if I tell you, Mona, Haja, for what this girl, she deserves. 3 days ago, one of her friends told me, like Nelson, she deserves everything she is getting now. And I said, yes, it's true. She deserves it. She deserves everything, and she has not seen anything yet.
Wow.
Because someone will be sitting somewhere on Moisha will be creating stories. Moisha will be calculating things. Moisha will do everything to tarnish this person's image. Moisha will be paying blocks.
Hey.
They've been an instance.
So she does those things.
She does those things. They've been an instance where she has even had an award. She has had it. I was there when she sent the person $1,000.
Hey.
The person had the award had to be given to. It was between Efe Odo, John Dumelo. They had the thing for her.
Hey.
All these things are things she has done.
That's why she feels she needs to give her life to Christ.
Yes.
$1,000 for a walk.
Yes.
Wow.
She has done things. She has walked in key places.
Walk chin places. Wow.
Things. So everything that is happening to her, she deserves it. She deserves everything. Even sometimes even if you are dating a married or you are seeing a married man and then the wife calls you, oh, madam, I don't know that he's married. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm backed off. But this girl will be on the phone and will insult you. I think you claim that thing or this is hers. So all these things are parts. All these things are parts that the women have cursed there. All this they've cried on top of her head. Now you come and be telling people that the only two people that you've ever been with in your life. You've only been with two people. The Ghana man and the Nigerian man, those are the only two people you've killed. And I told this emotion, if you really want to be saved, you have to say everything. You shouldn't cover up things. The day we came to the church that we're coming, she was saying, I thank God, me, I'm a good person. No, it's only two men I've ever been with. I've never been with anybody before. Even those four guys now, so I've never had a thing with anybody. And I was saying that, Moisha, if you really want to be saved, don't cover things up. She alone knows what is really eating her up. Because she doesn't sleep. At a point, 3 days, Moisha will be sitting there. There was this drink she has been taking all the time. It's called Mental. And that drink, when you take it, even Esther told me the same thing, that she experienced the same thing. She will start to hallucinate. You'll be seeing things. It's like you are going to die.
Hey.
And then the drink, it has tramadol, it has weed, it has alcohol, it has pills, it has different things. And this girl will be taking it to back to back. And then because it's sweet, you'll be drinking. And whenever she drinks, she thinks that she sees things. If she doesn't eat, she will not be drinking those things. She'll go and buy 4 bottles. Then she'll come and put the fish, she'll be drinking. The last time, even the day we came to the church and then she has repented and everything. When Mercy came to Ghana, I saw her sneaking and then taking that drink. I told her that more. I thought she said you've changed. This drink is not good for you. Don't take it. That night, what happened to Moisha? I was there, she called me. And I was like, I beg, come and sleep beside me. And I was like, no, I'm not going to do that too. I'm going out.
Come and sleep beside me.
I said, then call your friends as nigga. I called her friends. The friends was outside. She came from the back, but she was like, she's going to pick her daughter. I called her papa. Papa told me that she's asleep. She can't come. She should face her thing herself. Now she'll be lying on the bed. She'll take people at the point. She can't unless she because she sees things. She feels like she's going to die in her sleep, so she doesn't sleep at all. She will sit on her bed, be watching one place. And now this Ghana man, if you were to be somebody, I don't even for this man. You've come to tell this man, say, I'm sorry that the Nigeria have been going, there is a man that is sick. This man, you will scare him away. You will scare this man away. Because this man wanted to marry you years back. He didn't come to see your parents. You were not ready. Now that you're going to do your things, you come back, you are telling the man, say the man should marry you.
Wow. I don't follow them. Where ni PRO, and I said, listen, the PRO, the personal assistant. Obey the pa back. And I'm what they say, and I said, the personal assistant nurse, and I'm what they say, or they and Simbi Egu Ejan. Na I don't follow them way on this summer. And at the train, sir, and Komono. And Komono, the two Jano. In fact, some ways about modern record, or nothing. Now, sir, we ask this, I wouldn't be a cassa. Then you panic, sir. See, I know I careful. Anything I may say. Says, you'll be an also of Frewa Fakolo. Is a Moisha, the name Guasia Abbey. wo msa wo yare as say yes wenya na dwemu aka na kakra as say onam kra won hye mpaboa na onam okoko ma ne de ka ho nyina but on say me ba abonten a very sad situation the ba abonten say no ye de ya da o so ye na go abonten hwe nsema ba abonten sama na kasa na mo mienti na sema wo de atu dwa so far.
Room changing, and he started shouting, "Selma, come out, come out." Come and see what has happened to our friend Moisha. I rushed to his phone.
All right, I'm saying you were trying to me more, but what and sema so far akoso also ano de opacha audio na ba ye no enya se ni pe se or record no de begu Moisha animas na ono na abrantie ne kasa no ompese daachi bi abrantie ne beka se wan kasa enti o make sure se or record kasa bia na abrantie ne ka na se be ya daachi bia so deny obetim de kasa na ba abonten ama wiaseman ehun se asem sei na abrantie no ekae enti ebusa o wase obusa na daachi bia na watima kire se asem sei na abrantie no ekae it is a issues about abonten Moisha nanim egu ase papa sei ensema aba abonten sei no so echen ya dwene ne ente ase enya se obi pe eni se obi anim gu ase na obi pe ba ye ka kire mu se slay queens no ensema beba abonten no eso na nsem bia na obi ani na so no ebe hya ase aba eno na hya ase ebe hwene ma ekoso sei na medium was ensem ni nyina so be slay queens asem bi ba bia no na ubati na afia so asugo na afia so adi abefrem na afia so abekasa na afia enti afia nimba we dem se afia ya de kakra o ka kire wo mo o ka kire according to branch na no ni Sam Edin komo Nelson no si afia se omompe bibi nya na we de anhwe ye beginsem no so mo active very quickly na niam nyina wo de acheche Moisha bia wo de cheche de wo se wo ton so de wo se ode ma manfo free ode mom de also ohye no so ohye no ni nyina ye de sofo no e ka kire no se we ase de se wo de wani akohu se wukun o boyfriend o dofo bi ye o courtesan ne ma bi na moja adware no ho nyina ahia na watufu se enka mo bi ntina aka mo bi tia obewu na okoka ene na asemato ye moja sika nti bomaden na fasika ni nyina ebra enti anase fakocheche fakoya adoye eno na nam so a Moisha sika nyina afire ne nsam na slay quincy eno na aduru hoyi adoforo mama review secret bi enkyere musisi ha obi anfa pen ni paper na won tworo sa asem we na they say esa akoso no Ghana slay quincy ni bi se Ghana maimu sese emema no ntua sika na omani maguase wo mema nu anim obi ehunu suban sese it is omunko Dubai omunko Nigeria sese de omuntu kwan akwa abrochire amanone na amanone no omo specific place bi a wo ba eye America na de omo ye ne se omo bepe obi a ye wo obi okrum hai ni din merpa me de betu dwa mama na yenim story ni nyina de wo krom ha no ono ne abrofo ibia omoye old kakra chese o manyini kakra sika bo o nsem ene omo kasa kire se omo wo celebrities bi wo Ghana omo no di wo popular pa o magidin pa as nipa no ebetima show celebrities in pictures in videos akere sa papa yi ewa America na America no state kuro ni nyina yenim any in hotels, hotel, Kronu Sunina, hotels or Mokoso. Now, the enemy say, so far the yacht they say, it's a celebrities, you know, or more acting like pen pass. In this any panel or hano, any abrofono, a connect a casa, no much as any celebrities, you know, akasa. Now, fe, or mabuku appointment, you know, slave queens, you know. Nani panetwa plane ticket, I'm free, Ghana, Aba. It is Oba America, ha. Obabana hotel, now you're ready. Na baby on any betting and you know, are you ready? Enti se si akura make e bi koso se si a se si a make say nema e koso a obi anim what is going on. Na the woman say we there enya te say the sikaketo na nipa na beji o. Enti they say e bi hihye wo se si a e bi wo kroma se si a nti no mo bae. Omo ba no ma bedi 5 days 4 days no masa go back. Enti wo de oni mi say bia o one day otimi ba America otimi be say otimi ba ko otimi be say. Enso na ye links bi na obi a linki. Obi no so a wo linki ye no. Onini momo woni omo ne nante ne omo ni momo dadaada. E no mo nyina draw sa strategy. Enti say conference a ping pong do say a friend is saying sir be pe weather omoba money omoba bofuna say obepam pino say din bi word bi refuse our word no papa me pesa our word na me atodwa enti oti pupu a obi di na yenim de ekoso memete ha but say ya ka atrem say information ekuta ye no except bibia sa microphone bi mrebi omone microphone bi kasa e wo New York someone set me that friend up sa man now any microphone bi kasa wo New York say omon pe obi a obey me particularly na me ni adamfo na bede ni wanya me na so bede nya well, every day you can't me baby. Make sure I'm money security protect your security at the name. And I always say nam no and I say nam now go more to Ghana. Nam money will be America bopo. A bra money se pono so mo bonnet die so you don't know. Huh? Yeah, the na sama be a hasisia, sama na be hasisia. Ba no. Almost a baby hotel be a duty pupu will be na at business bina or more ya was say. Now you name the air coso. Did you, my dear, more have a live for YouTube? The announcer newspaper so and a Facebook, the announcer newspaper so sema air coso, ewa Ghana and a de air Bremonti. Yeah, dear, as I'm near tea, make sure say, ye mamu the air coso. Young hide bibia. As I'm near tip pet. You didn't know about Bremo said you sit here. Come on. Now, if you walk, as some say, I could say, Bassy. Empty, say, Bassami Busamo. Motse Ghana, Manu chokurudo. Ah, Mumuadi, Nesuba, Bonnie, and Mussi or mine mooding. It is saying as I have about America, obey. Ah? Now, obit America, no Bobra. Now, some more respected Nipano. Moba America say, na obey. Like I said, Slave Quincy, your business, pal. We have an international business, and not one international business, and not one more. And they say, Yapamoto, meaning you must have been and they say, Kaka cratch them. Into a more minimum, say minimum seminal. I don't know. But the bet you say, Obia fun to no hopeful. The air course of Yassi say. So say obi ekuta bibi na wo gina ni a emma woni mmere obi ade obi atre brofo na mama Charles Medase o say pin okay so ade no na omo ye wa sequence I know they say omo duru ha o and no more buy a high hotel na mom 4 days 5 days but no man nam hey no man nam hey be mom no mu didi no man nam na wodim say ade papa bi na mo ye eso say adwuma no mo be ye ekuta information ni nyana enti bibia di wa yen odi be hide o America e be you because in the ekoso is it say Ghana obuntia amanfo ntua sese wo Ghana enti ise omat firi Ghana ton aba ena ade a wo mo be ye no enim gu ase akwa aba ma no chokuro amoti o man Ghana mu a mo se enyam mo na mo ye eyi mo na mo kasa bibia ye final mo na tumi ye mo dia mo kasa final ye nyam se hwe ena mabegu pimp eno no mo kan pimp eno no mo ye no asese slay queen na mo Ghana no omo ni obi okrom ha ena nipa ne linki omo ena se nipa no nipa na okrom ha no o madam for dada no no mo ne ye niema bi wo Ghana dada sa ono na linki omo ha enti ebinom abasisi omo hotel BCC a juma mo ye no ya kasa office mu nko ye te America o ye nim no o chede nim e di so ti wona dwa wonum chokoro ya na ho osere what you say ye baby ameti ne baby a woi mahu de woye sese ya eti hu se ye ni agro o musa e de mama wasa ate asese o se nipa na America no o se nipa no na ani oba foforo bi ka ho closest friend morning grofo bi kasa New York some men that Fred may hammer to almost set me up. Oh, best na Ghana be who be wa so set me up. Na nipa ni tipa enemy and obviously say yet walk asanya kasa just like that. Or no set me up wa. Hey, na some crass ye be an only say and your matan China musi Ghana ya mo ye. Mo so betimi bi aba. Na ye bunim. And I'm going to security try ho ahia. Yeah, we so almost tempting within 1 minute, you know. Information we discuss here no any 2 seconds na me saka information no mutina ye kay chi mu nyina wo kono mu ka mo temti bibia kay so mu nyina mu within 1 minute e be chi mu nyina wo Ghana ka ho na fe mu hu ade amapi no hu ka kire mu a ye no nye say ba na abekasa just like that what I say enti adafonom se matimo isha de ya akoi ye nyina ye fantu ye hofo na ye nyina ye nsua bibi emfiri mu because areko se enei ne ho nsema aba abonten no in fact e wo se ye nyina ye sua bibi efiri mu ensem na no wadi na areko se ye witness sa ansem we at this time ensem na areko se ye te sa ansem we at this time na aden dia be na ekosi wiase ate no obeye bibia wo wiase obetima ye bibia so woni mre no matter what be the case bibia woni mre enti obeya ya say show mo isha dia be ni nim se mo besua nyansa mo besua bibia free mo nsua mo safa plane eba betena America se mbo se pimple se dien e wa America hey monsesa we are say kwa nanim nti munsua say we are say kwa nanim na de ekoso no enye obi ene beka a kire mo say ade esi ekoso no e wo mabrabo da we are say no yetumofo na mantia ye de da bia baba beka hwe se mo isha esi oda wo na 3 days na wontimi na oti we are say na 3 days na ontimi na ene papam no 3 complete days ontimi kata na ni na da bia oteho usuru se oda obewu na oteho na etimi go to the stand say ama wotimi akohunko ma na e wo se obia de tu no hofo hwe Nigeria we pe ono an personal assistant asema worker na owo nipa mienu wa Nigeria ba ko ye sofo ba ko senator na wo sofo a wote Nigeria ukuta Bible na also de na also we no e jogo friends anything and asemi ba ho o friend no and okohu se picture okohu se sanity your friend video call moja na adware ne ma moja adware no and o tiam because I say I don't know about the movie be na wo hwe but movie that Nigeria movies na hwe no the same thing na ekoso wo de bi no mo ye no eno no mo yi kire ye no e de wote Ghana obepe bre bia bo obeye adwuma abedidi obebre ne wadidi no momo de amosi musuban no professional ayifo mo mmere ndidi monim quick ways ambafa so anya dollars ekumbotom easy way ambafa so anya sika ekumbotom ena hwemawie ye de ekoso ena na meka kire mo se de esa nwanwa ne se ebinum sa won chen a omunsua bibi mfiri sa de we mu eka ye nse ka asem se koso no de etoto bi no kamo besua bibi afiri mu kamo so de betum hofo ahun se niema na ekoso no se de aye ni pedesem enti mo so besua bibi afiri mu na maya mo so munsua hwe mfiri mu ena mo sa afa plane na ma ba America na ma ba jeje hotels na mo da hotels no ansa na ni pare be ba no na atua ho ka awie sika de be mani nyina o matua de o ye intermediate agent no waje ne percentage agunu botom di sa branche na o ha odo so mpa adwuma bi nya sa adwuma wi na wo ye no ono so he wo na ye bo pa ye mo ne mo kasa se mo mepeme na mo set me up na wo nim ye fresh set up out ase wo te sa bro for na se e da me ka kire o se mo wote Ghana ene obi ti America e plane ade nipa so am plane ade afa no ho no so nye nipa keto asa eji yete ho no wonim security atwa ye ho ahia you don't know eji wo wote nchen na wo dwendwene wo negative ene na me ka kire mo se na no me wo ha na manya call nti wo frɛ me phone so sebe ebia ni petitiru bi frɛw aka se me hia akyerɛw ama bia wo de aye program ana wasua bibi afiri mu enso nipa bone phone nti no ema obi akokra untimi empeke because unim nipa ni intention o frɛ me call afi na o frɛ me from New York number o frɛ me no me mpeke yo e ma call no eringe ba ako mienu miensa afi me hu se Ghana number so to aso na obe conference call wo afre me New York to say the ona ane me kasa na obi so a ne number e Ghana number me ni ba bia nipa no was at that time na onu so be tie call no bi enti na mo intention ne say enti dia be na na mafa no motirim dia be enti na mo yesa de no enti na me ka kira mo say za mo ne ma tantan na mo ye no enya yen yeso na mo de beba wo so mo ni ate do ani abia yeso ya tra o ho no nya call every countries be to say India and other countries program ami ye e Ghana program I didn't know bit India for him baby ono na also offer me the air course no mo ya de na enya ye mfa hwe hu ye be kan plane extra mo ye ma masi so mo be bobra na mo ye role models amanfo be sua bibia firi mo ho mo sorry a mo mu ade and I'm multi social media and I'm display cars a japade a dian woodro as you watch my moye motu kwine by American embassy hotel on yeah because as America before we better to dine our car you disclose a juma way usime what just say you're shedding in answer and you be prove crime water there I prove water because you're show if you say ubi be away and your French embra quine so that would be year and ya more modia zane quick money ni saa ne ma no enante na oye oba ne wasi so we as obi a won choice but musuba mpone na moda na di no saa suban na moyi na di a mote o man Ghana mu amummu ade no senka wa wo ye adwuma bi ana wo ye bibi kura na ke different thing ba wa wo mu ade wo so aye hu ade papa bia wo ye enna musika esi sika fi sika enye sika papa sika emanso wo ho sika uko disa sika ya asema beba ho nya asem ketwa enna hwe de ekoso na mu omse wo de betena Ghana na obedwa wonu na befa plane aba America no aba se pimpin o se pimpin mu me mitimi body kura yi se aduma we die kan ya me betena se na metwi me monto what you say so obefru plane no aba be di se aduma we wo Ghana America de na wo se adwi a when your audacity akotena se akodi mpanifo atem when your audacity abetena se abekasa etie mpanifo when your audacity abekasa anyhow akira manfo share am say munim de moye se wiase no yehu moto yehu de moye enye ntete mu bia ne betima ma bibia asesan enenye ade bia mo beka ene betie opa tie mu koto mo jani tie mu ka bibia ye mfa ho ye ni facts no na ma true challenge no de woni mana de wo tie nim ena de obete so wo nim no beka akere ne yonko no say say that the friend hu adwuma amoye what Ghana is it a man what say mo celebrities pempafo eno bi Ghana no linking na money nipa na kasa mu wi a osio ne me ba ba chia nipa ne say ene me try plenty bibia the amount aba abeda hotel 4 days 5 days pass akọ Ghana na mathematics can match mo percentage na the hotel also age the percentage the business say more yen no business say more yen no eno no atuma more yen no he say dem say Ghana me money ntia na me money hu omo ehun say de omo chese omo siba nyina Ghana for me money hu they say de omo de atra and omo de aduru America hey say so yet ya yes so alarm ne be blow alarm so sana mo ya mpa si wa ne asom hwe America de echiwa obi anti me power che obi anti me pa che o ma wo enye Ghana ne bia mako nwe me pa che o ma yesom hwe you see the fatu utrim say yenim yeso ye bobo amane appropriately no mo be hu eji saade na ye be sia no kwan na yesom mu wie na fe ye sia no kwan wie a nisi wa mo di celebrity no beto mo na ma be sa asem hunu no wo ha mu ade Ghana ena mote ho ena ade bia nu bone na mode ne na enu bone nti no mu hwe ena blackmailing ena mu bu Ghana fo na mo di o musika di na saade man do am ko sie frɛ Ghana sha setete no kra na saade ma tantan we ne bi ni ho maye mo ho ma bi na mo wiase ena mo miemia moto na ba mo ba America ma hu mai wa mo ti Ghana mo no chokrodo no sema hu e ma kama wa enso mo ye adwuma omu nyina ye adwuma omo nye sa akohwibra we na dididi omo bre no mo didi what ase omo sofa ene kwhwe obi a hye adwuma ase 7 am obapon 11 pm na obana obehye baby be se pimpin no se de kwhwe hotel 4 days 5 days mo me nya aso mo ma nya aso na mo sio na nsem hu na mudi se mo yisha de na abai na enye se obi asema ba ene ye obi de but se de bie niama ye hu no se celebrities bi eniema a wo mo ye nya asem ketwa eniema ekoso enya asem ketwa ene eno na nyina piepie abontin ama ye hu na mo musi ho ere na gu aye o oi ma menhwe na wow why I don't know ai ni pedia utim sa dia ojina ni o esu ni wadwuma wo ya wo de ji wani oba ha na ya be bie ka apon na o makotenam na on de kono That is nipa na work it to the extent they say. Wa work pa ye se celebrity o Ghana. Wa cheating o Ghana. Wa linking no obi o wa ha che say hey, go for me mu ye business o. Mo ye business pa. But any akano, you say yama obi e hu de mo ye. 4 days what be in America na mo ko. 5 days no ba. State na mo won mo amu ni baby am me modin akura mo no kura nim. Say baby am wo mu nim. E na ho na mo say ho na bi wo say ye ya make say. Manu see. Abrante no so link no the din the twato ya G. The twato no maka na G. Joe dey mo share my life. We announce a newspaper, Facebook, and YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so and away. And some so Ghana and ye de bremo. The air cosono, and some more dupa ye into and ye de bremono. Martin Sembe Bremini about Sarah Sam, UK, Mechia UK phone and Sarah. Mamo UK, Moshe in so ye church, Yamunina, and himself be a tumpon, kama. If you Rambo at the saying, Rima at the saying, Evelyn Taylor also at the same mini about Michelle. Sasana, deal. Sylvia also UK, Michelle Babia will be Anna. Afe UK phone and I'm a chess, I'm be all baby, I will show me be a Germany or Ghana, Hanyo, baby, I'm America or Michiamo. Babs Coca to say, Sister Georgina, I'm also want to say UK. Enti adofonom Moisha sinye easy ene ya menemo ka say sa mani bi abedura America ha na obi na linki omo na sa nipa no linki na wo linki omo no nipa no ene abrofi bi kasa e create impression so ba na ye nipa titim bi o Ghana we celebrate use pictures ni videos awaye ene niam bebre de kire nipa no manipa ne gini di ampa na afi o my deal or the oba ne ba the oba ne benya no the percentage ewo into middleman kru ya so obe he kra ne bi oba no kra no e bi kra sa oba no kra ne mpena no we don't know yenim enti adofonam we are friend of business and our moye na sika de Birenedi now Bredia, it will help you rather than move pay a coin shortcut be no money magasi. It says share the moye and I made that different material that money me. Now I catch them say we are saying Sunday sir. Office here boy. Most man and I'm more much minute. So I the same abrante no. Any akwabi or no or yeah they say or yeah say video.